Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Montego Bay, Jamaica. We are looking straight ahead at the construction of the Harbour City Shopping Center. And as you know, a lot of construction is going on in Jamaica, and Montego Bay has quite a few developments going on, and this is one. Let's go in here so we can get better view of it. I'm going to go back out. So this building is commercial space. It's going to be retail and commercial stores, and it's a massive construction project. Looks like it's, since we did the video last, a lot of work has been done. So just giving you guys an update on how far they've reached with this construction project. I'll just give you guys an idea of how big the project is. That's another part of it over there. Alright, so we're heading back out onto Howard Cook Boulevard now, and this is the project from another angle. But it's moving, this project is moving very quickly, because the last time we were here, probably what, 2 weeks or a month ago, they've done a lot of work since then. And the good thing about that plaza or that complex is that it's located in the heart of Montego Bay. It's close to the airport, it's close to downtown Montego Bay, it's close to Fairview. It's ideally located. It should do very well. Okay, on the left now is a new Montego Bay Fire Station. Very nice facility. I mean, it would be so nice if every fire station in Jamaica looked like this. Montego Bay Fire Station, 1 Barnett Street. The government is actually renovating fire stations and police stations all over the island. We're going to do a separate video on some of those, but this is the Montego Bay one. This one is actually finished, and they're in the process of renovating some others.